Hello guys, this is Sylvie here. I wish you having a good holidays. Hope you're having a good holidays, guys. Because one of my gifts is this one. It's the Neko arcade stick. Just arrived yesterday. Compatible for PS3 and PS4. I really want to see how it is. So just thought it would be a good idea to just do a quick unboxing there. Let's see. So that's a package. Whoa. Oh my god. But wow. This is like my first arcade stick, so it's a nice feeling I'm having trying something new. This is the package outside. Hey! Hello there! Oh god! There you go. It's pretty smooth. I like it. So there are also some buttons there. Let's see. I did find it on a discount on the site, so I thought it would be also. That's a good idea. Like it's a gift, like most likely from my Twitch chat. So I thank you a lot for the contribution, my guys, my viewers, my supporters, and I cannot wait to play this on stream as well. Most likely it's to play 2Ds. Yeah, I guess that would be pretty neat to play 2Ds with this one. So my inputs will be much more cleaner and more precise. So yeah. Yo! I like it. Okay. So what do we have? Oh, that's it. Nice. Oh. There's a few stickers. I guess there's some stickers also inside. Oh, to interchange also the cover. So the picture. Here we have a snake. For now should be fine. Nice. Okay guys. That's it for now. So see you next time, next stream. And thanks for watching. See you later. Enjoy your holidays. Bye bye.